Guys, I owned a 999.98 dollar shoes. No way. No way. Hey guys, so this is my Jordan, one of my collection, guys. And this one, it says Jordan Trunner LX High. So it says there Jordan Trunner LX High. And this one is 10 and a half size, guys. And I bought this. Let me check the receipt. I still have the receipt. Oh, actually, it looks like I bought it online, guys, because I have a UPS thing in here back in 2018. And whoa, sorry guys, I got scared because I thought somebody was outside and it was my mom. So anyway, so this is the box, and it has paper thing in here, and this one is kind of like a gold color. And let me just put this away. So this is the shoe, Jordan Trunner LX High. So this one is 10.5 US size, guys, and UK is 9.5. And yeah, so I think I wore this maybe like a couple of times, because a little bit dirty on the bottom, but not obviously dirty. Looks like I haven't, maybe I only wore this maybe like 2 or 3 times, guys, since I call it Jordan Trunner. And it has 3 iconic strap design. So there's one here, and then one over here with a zipper. And this one is combination with, I think, leather and a mesh kind of like material because of this one. And yeah, so there are like mesh material here, guys. And it looks like I haven't wear this for a long time. It's just stay in the box, guys. I like this one because I like the style, you know. This one I think is designed for if you are like running or something, or going to the gym, but you can also wear this like almost every day. It also have a cushion on the, you know, on the bottom of the shoes right there. It's very soft, and this one is very lightweight. It's very lightweight, guys. If somebody throw this to you, you ain't gonna hurt. It's not gonna. Okay, guys, and then when I try to Google it, I think this one is not available anymore. It's kind of like the price went up, so almost $300, guys. I think when I bought this one, it was under $100, because you know I don't buy regular price. I always wait for until they release it on sale, guys. So back in 2018, I think this I waited for it on sale. So originally it was $130 right there, guys. I don't know if you can see it, $130. Google it now in a like shoe store or a different website store, and they sell it for as much as $300. Can you believe that, guys? The value of Jordan shoes, you know, when they get like vintage, if they will resell it for like almost double the price, guys. And then OMG, no way. On eBay it says almost $1,000, guys. Can you believe that? I don't know if it's real, but I'm on the eBay website, and it says here $999.98. Can you believe that, guys? This one sells. Okay, so the highest that I've seen was $900 so far, guys. But This one can sell as much as almost $500, and it's pre-owned. OMG guys, $500 for this one, for this kind of style. And it comes with different combination colors. It comes with blue, black, and then this one, and then mixed with the black in this one. So maybe that's the reason why the value always goes up. And then this one also comes in a mid, I don't know how you call it, like mid high, you know, half of this shoes. This one's kind of like a boots kind of style. And I also have one, so they call this mid high, and then the other one mid low trunner. So this one designed for basketball, or if you are like, you know, running. Shoes guys, and thank God I have it. I can resell it for as much as $500 for this kind of style. There's a lot of colors available for this one. Actually I have 3 of these guys. So the other 2 is mid low, and it's like a regular one, and it's an adjustable strap in here in the front, and it also have a Velcro adjustable thing here on both sides. And what else? And then this one, they design it, you know, for ease, so you can put it easily on your feet. You can wear it easily, and then there's like a zipper here on the side, and they put like a mesh thingy here because it's got, so your feet can breathe, you know. It's breathable design for your feet, and it's kind of like soft on the inside when you wear it, guys. There you go. And yeah, and it's very lightweight, guys. So yeah, so go to eBay, and they are selling this for a ridiculously high price, guys. So I cannot believe it, and thank God I still have this one. This one is not available anymore, I think. Alright guys, before I go out and wear my shoes, I'm gonna show you, this is the price like right now. So I don't know if somebody's gonna buy this. This is like $998, and this color is black. So I don't know why is this expensive. Maybe because this is limited edition, but it's the same as my shoes. It's just this one is all black. So I don't know why it's so expensive, guys. It's the same as my shoe. Look, it's just this one is brown color, but this particular one that I have is like almost $500 now, guys. It is crazy. Look at that, $900 for this black shoe. I should have bought black. I should have bought the one, this color before. Look, it's the same thing, guys. OMG, I don't know why it's so expensive. Wow, crazy girl. And then yep, it comes in different colors right there. So this is the one that I have, but it's not on black. So this is $139 for that. And let me show you mine. So this is the one that I have right now, and it says they're $422, guys. It's crazy. But this is crazy. Look, it's $900. Who's gonna buy this one? Oh my goodness. So anyways, let me go out, and then let me show you my shoes on me, okay? Hold on. Alright guys, so I'm wearing my shoes right now. I'm kind of like struggling to put my feet on the shoes because I gained weight, so it looks like my feet expand. So my advice is, guys, just buy like maybe like an inch extra on your shoes. So my feet is 10.5, and I should have bought 11 because, you know, I gained weight in the past 2 years. I think my feet kind of like swollen or something. So but it still fits me. It fits on me, guys. So that is the shoe. Yeah, it's very lightweight. Let me just go outside. Alright guys, so right now I'm outside in front of I'm in the front yard, guys. I don't know if you guys seen my video on the video short, so hopefully you guys seen it. And nice weather right now, but let me just show you outside our house. Maybe I'm gonna do it here, guys. So this is our neighborhood, and yeah, so nobody's here right now, and I'm gonna set up my camera here. Guys, so you've seen that wearing my shoes, running around like crazy here in my neighborhood. And yeah, this shoes is very lightweight, guys. I feel like I'm not wearing anything, and yeah, it's a good nice shoes. And then I will show you the other shoes too as well. The one that I have, the same as this one, but it's like a mid low. So correct me if I'm wrong, guys. I don't know if I'm saying it right, if it's mid low or mid high on this kind of, you know, this particular style or something. So yeah, so anyway, so that is the shoe, and it's very comfortable, guys. And let me just go back inside, and then let me just show you more. I'm here in that was me. So yeah, this shoe is very comfortable, guys. Maybe I'm gonna wear it today at my work, and it doesn't hurt my feet because there's like a lot of support happening inside, and it's very soft. Yep. So yeah, so hopefully you guys like that demonstration outside, guys, outside our house. And yeah, I'm so lucky that I purchased this a few years ago, and now the value went up like double or triple or something, guys. And yeah, it's very comfortable. Maybe I'm gonna wear it today at my work. And yeah, it's very like noticeable, guys. See the Jordan sign right there, and it's still clean. So maybe I'm gonna sell this. No, I'm just kidding, guys. Alright guys, so maybe I'm gonna start wearing this from now on, so my feet will get used to it, because it's kind of like a little bit tight, but it's still comfortable because of the cushioning inside of the shoes, and it's very like so soft, guys. So when I wore this earlier, I did not wear any socks, because if I wear a socks, maybe it ain't gonna fit my. So yeah, if I wear a socks, maybe it's not gonna fit anymore, guys. So yep, I really need to lose weight because my feet like gained weight too. Kind of like swollen, guys. So yeah, but I remember when I bought it, it's fit perfectly, guys. So I don't know what happened. So anyways, as you can see, when I show you the prices on eBay, it's so ridiculously overpriced, guys. Why is that? So I don't know why, but it's crazy, guys. Thank God I own one of these, but I have another one, guys. I'll show it to you next time. So yeah, and let me know, guys, if you own this shoe too, and you are one of the lucky ones to own this one. So yeah, so maybe I'm gonna start wearing it, so it will, you know, expand a little bit, because right now it's still, you know, original thingy, like as if it was new. So yeah, so it comes with a mesh design here, and they say it's leather. I don't know why they say leather. I don't any leather here. And then see, it's still clean. The white thingy here all around is still clean. And then it comes in their famous 3-strap design. So 1 strap here, the strap here on both sides, and then strap here on the side where the zipper is located. And then this one is also comes in a very soft cushioning on the inside, so it will protect your feet. So anyways, hopefully guys you like this video that I did today, and I will show you more Jordans that I have in my collection in the future. And again, don't forget to subscribe guys. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, so every time I have a new video it will notify you. And I will see you guys later. Bye.